Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to enable how to speak predictions on iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly you have to open your setting apps, of course. Here you are in this page. You have to find out the accessibility. Here you are. I'm gonna tap it right now. Now I'm going to spoken content. Here in the spoken content page, you will see typing feedback option. Just go ahead now. After, at the bottom you will see how to speak predictions option. Below it, an information when typing predictions are enabled. Tap and hold on each word to hear it spoken. I'm gonna tap on the toggle here, and when it's turned green, that means it's enabled. So yeah guys, just it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.